Oh, I've been waiting for that. I got something new. This is the Shark MessMaster. Well, 3 of them. And it has what they call no suction loss technology. What it doesn't have is one of these. It has no centralized filtration system, so it never loses suction power. Ever. It has an easy to remove bin that also has a trash bag holder on it, so you can actually put a bag in here, suck everything into the bag, and then just throw it away. You can use just about any bag, or you can use one of the ones that comes with it. It's got a nice heavy duty latch right on the front. The hose actually stores neatly, wrapping it around the top. Comes with a wet mess tool, a crevice tool, the bare floor tool, as well as 3 extensions. Also, instead of having to clean your vacuum like this, with the MessMaster, all you have to do is suck up water. Dump it out, and you're done. Oh, and don't worry about power. This little guy has full-size shop vac power in a lunchbox-size package. It has a 20-foot cord on it, and Shark even gives you a 3-year warranty. These things are normally well over $150. Right now, they have them for about half that, which is why I got 3. One for the house, one for the shop, and one for my dad for Christmas. These are excellent wet dry vacs, guys, but don't pay full price. If you want to get one of these at the discounted price, you got to use this link down here. The only problem is they're already going viral, so if you want to get one, you need to do it quick.